Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you a method of making night cream. The ingredient which we need are vitamin E capsule and any moisturizer you like. Now vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E has natural antioxidant and squeeze it all into a pot. Now add your lotion. Now mix it. Vitamin E. Oil has natural antioxidant that rejuvenate the skin by repairing damaged skin. Apply this mixture overnight. And see the next morning the surprising results. Friends, these days where time is most crucial factor for our success and achievement, spending few hours in spa and salon becomes a real headache. And another true fact is, with each passing day, pollution is making our environment very toxic, causing several health issues. One of the most common issues due to increased pollution is skin and hair damage. For that, we all need to take good care of our skin for flawless beauty. For this problem, we use this night cream daily. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.